Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. In today's video, I will show you the favorite finds of mine in Target, and I feel like I never went to Target in this month. So I wanted to just catch up what's new in their store and also find some beautiful and interesting pieces with beautiful brands and the best brands that I love in their home decor section. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also do comment. I will also try to add all the links that you are seeing in this video in the description box down below in case if you're interested. Now let's get started. It's my favorite shopping time. Let's hit that Target. I can never start shopping without hitting this bullseye playground section. This is one of my favorite spots because everything that you can find here can be so useful, and some of them are probably not so much. Like this one, I feel like this is so much important for everyone's life. This is removable contact paper for just $5, and I just wanted to give this a try because I never have seen these in Target before, in at least bullseye section. So I just wanted to give this a try in my drawers, and actually I have a plan for this, so I'm gonna use this one for my future projects. So I just grabbed this neutral color, and also they do have a few other options like buffalo striped ones and also the colored pattern ones. They're all pretty and they're just $5. Next comes their beautiful hanging bags or hanging organizers and these laundry baskets that you can use. Their material is super nice and they're all waterproof, pretty good and decent in looking, and so easy to just throw some clothes in there. So I love this guy too. The combination is so perfect, and you can use this one as a part of your living room organization stuff. Like you can just throw some throw pillows and throw blankies in there. It looks so good. And my little helper decided to help me. The next one comes this beautiful yellow and white stripes. This says, I stirred it myself, homemade, and this yellow is absolutely beautiful. When I saw it with my own eyes, I couldn't resist to grab at least a few of those. This will be beautiful for decorating purpose as well. They also have these beautiful wooden organizers. It is a cute little drawer. You can place pens in it, and also you can put some push pins or like some office stuff. And this one I did decorated my daughter Nidhi's birthday with these, and I hanged some pictures to those, and it looks beautiful. Next comes their Hearth and Hand with Magnolia's rugs. They're beautifully made and they have lots and lots of textures and so very affordable in price. This one is $24.99 that I'm seeing, and the big ones, they're about $149. Look at those beautiful rugs. I mean, I fell in love with those, and forget about all the mess because they're doing the remodels, and this is where I suggest not to go when they're remodeling because they throw all the stuff everywhere. They're not aligned. I'm totally in love with this rug. It is so beautiful. It's wool and cotton area rug, which is $149.99, and it's so pretty, gray and white combination. They do have plenty of other options in here. I absolutely adore them. So if you are shopping for rugs, just visit Target close by and you will just find amazing rugs in a very reasonable prices too. I can't find the size of this one. I tried to look, but I wasn't able to find, but I'll place the link in the description box down below if I can find that link. Next comes this Greenery section in Target. I came across this Hearth and Hand Greenery section they're pretty much out. Like I said, they're remodeling their store, so they have very limited stock, seems like. And this one that I particularly fell in love with, the beautiful olive plant, and it is perfect for any offices or home offices, and it will be perfect for your living room areas. It will add lots and lots of colors to your home. This is so pretty. I really love this one, and I believe it's just $50. And also they do have the beautiful pots for all these plants. If you want to add a little style to it, you could add their baskets, or you can just put it as is, which will be perfect for any beautiful or styling up your rooms. Next comes this beautiful greenery section. This is a hanging plant and so perfect. I can never ever think that this is a fake one if I would have seen it in someone's house. This is so beautiful and perfect. And while I'm looking this, Yashika found another beautiful piece, which I will show you in a minute, because I definitely wanted to look at this fiddle fig plant, and on store it's just $44.99, but online I found it for $75. That was strange, but anyways, they have a different pots, I believe. So this one is a little bit different in texture, and they have this big one as well. This is really big and probably could be 6 feet. This is the one that Yashika found, and this is beautiful, interesting piece. I believe this is terracotta, but I am so excited to share you this because this is very lightweight, and this is also Hearth and Hand with Magnolia's collection. And this is so interesting. I cannot believe that this is so lightweight. Wow, this is interesting piece. I love this. I wasn't able to find price on this one, but I was able to find it online. It's about $12 to $33. I believe it's depending upon the sizes that you pick. But yeah, don't miss the greenery section. They have so many beautiful collections of greenery. Not in this store, like I said, they're remodeling, so they don't carry a lot of stuff at this point. These are some pretty neutral kitchen plates and mugs. Wow, there's so many that I cannot resist myself from looking at and taking some to my home. And next comes their beautiful vase collection. I can't figure out. Look at this tall, beautiful vase. This is so pretty, and you can put some greenery, or you can just place it right next to a big frame, and it will definitely add beauty. Look at this small pretty vase. This is so cute. I love it. This is just $6, and it is included with the greenery, and there are different greenery stuff. I tried to pluck that because I did not like this color of the greenery that it came with. Well, I guess it's gonna be different for different colored walls, but I really love the vase. This is so cute and pretty. I like the other one that I've seen with the white ones, and this is definitely my absolute favorite in Target. I cannot believe that I missed to see that cute vase until now. And this is Hearth and Hand candle with salt in it, and it's a soy candle, which means it's organic pretty much, and it smells so nice and calming. They do carry lots and lots of candles as well. Let's take a look at their lamp collection. They do carry these high lamps and also these beautiful textured ones with lots and lots of details added to it, or the shapes and the colors. They have so many pretty ones here. These are like the small sizes that I'm seeing on the other side of this aisle, which they have these amazing, so vibrant in colors and in textures. I love this beauty. I don't know where I can fit that, but this one is beautiful. Its texture is so cool and so different. And all these I believe are $25, which is priced on their aisle. And it also comes with this bulbs that you can fit in, but you will have to purchase the lampshades separately. And wow, I love all their lamps. They're different colors. They do have some interesting details. The transparent one, this is my favorite that I found in Target so far, because it has a beautiful texture within the glass, and also you can pretty much see nothing but the transparency of those lamps. Wow, look at all the textured ones. This is the big size in the same one that I've seen up above, and these are like $45 each. Look at this cool marble texture one too. It's so nice. I just wanted to capture this Project 62 lamps, how they styled it with their beautiful furniture. Their chairs are amazing too. I'm like, this is so nice lamp and this is so beautiful chair. Wow, that's so cool. Target also have these beautiful small lamp sizes with wooden and neutral colors. These are so perfect for your living rooms, and also you can fit these in your bedrooms, which will be so cool and so beautiful. There are other beautiful lamp collections. These has some gold colors and some of them are brass in color. They're so nice and will be so simple in any of the homes, and I would love to just add these to my home. Project 62 has some nice collections, and they do have different variations of these lamps and so affordable in price. This one, like the one that I'm seeing, it's ceramic but with lots and lots of textures and details added to that. If you are looking for any lamps for small bedrooms and for living room areas, don't forget to check out at Target. Now let's take time and talk about their beautiful basket collection. All their baskets are so cute and pretty. Most of them are the neutrals that are my favorite. I do love their natural jute or the oven style with white color paints, and they're like $20. Come on, why cannot we just add this $20 beautiful basket and make it our home look very high-end? All the bamboo collection baskets too. This is super duper cute. I cannot believe that they carry this. They have different sizes in these baskets and they're so cute. The details, I mean, it's mind-blowing. The side handles, it's cute, and I love how they differentiated the handles from the actual basket itself. Look at that. That's the big one and this is the small one. The price when I checked, it's $48. However, I'm gonna put the link down below in case if there are different prices in your location. Let's check out Target's outdoor collection. They do have some beautiful planters for outside. These are ceramic, and no doubt about it, these will be so perfect for any of the outdoor collections or patio collections that you have. And these cute planters too, they're so nice, and these have like only 2 colors when I checked. I'm sure they might have probably carried more, but they're all pretty much out at this point, and they have very limited collection in planters. But I came across this Project 62 beautiful pipestone outdoor gas fire column, and that is one of my favorite, and it will be perfect for tiny backyards like mine. And if you haven't seen my backyard transformation video, I will link it down below for you in case if you missed it. And also these solar LED pathway lights, wow, they do have a beautiful and elegant collection of these. They're so stylish, modern, so simple, and yet so beautiful. I love to grab one of these just to add to my backyard patio. And also these string lights that I came across, they look so beautiful when I checked out in person, but online it seems so different. I am definitely buying these for my backyards. And not to forget, they have some beautiful rugs. Initially when I look at these, I thought these were plastic, but no, they are so real. They're the beautiful Project 62 outdoor rugs, and don't forget to check these out if you're looking for the outdoor rug collections. They are so nice and so beautiful in texture, and they're just $120 per 5x7, and they are slightly different prices for the other sizes. They do also have lots and lots of string light collections in Project 62 online as well. And I looked at these beautiful lanterns, and I thought the price is for lanterns, but no, it's not. It's actually $50 when I checked online, and these are definitely so beautiful when you look in person. So I definitely would suggest you, if you really like something online, just come and look in store, because they look even more prettier when you check out in stores. Okay, with this, I am concluding this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos on my channel. Until then, have a good weekend. Bye.